so it is my hope that at the end of this event, I'm gonna bring you from good to feeling great. Alright? And a very warm welcome to the Honda Alexandra Showroom Open House 2019. So my name is Jovita and I'll be your host for this afternoon. So today as well, it is a day of many firsts for Boon Siew Singapore because this is the first time that we're actually unveiling 3 new models in one single event. Okay, so we have the Honda Forza 300, the Honda CB1000R, and a brand new mystery model that we're going to be unveiling in Singapore for the very first time. This is also the only model right over here in Singapore. Okay, now all of you over here as well, you're in fact also the first to actually check out these models yourselves, to feel it, to mount it, and later on today, you're even going to be able to test ride some of these models. Now before we begin, of course, we're going to first show you some videos of the Honda Forza 300 as well as the Honda CB1000R.